Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here at crypto.com and the DeFi wallet. I'm waiting for my crow to become unbonded or freed from the staking. I've got a 5,000 crow waiting to be debonded for 28 days. So, in the meantime, I made a couple videos on this. Seemed pretty popular. So I'm going in here again, just one more time. I do have some more crow left. So, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go to trade. I'm going to do 100 crow. And I'm going to swap that into VVS. Alright. So, not that much actually. 48,000. Alright, swap it. 0.3 crow is the fee. Alright, that's fine. And the network fee, 0.8 crow. So it does cost a little bit to swap them over every time you do that. So, see if that works out. Transaction receipt. Alright, I can go look at that if I want to. Now I should be able to go into the mine. You can see here, since I did the staking in the mine, we were at about 3,000%. We've dropped to about 2,000%. Still pretty good interest. You can see I have 2.5 million VVS staked and compounding. You can see the profit here in the last day. Basically day. So pretty good. Only $367 in here right now. But I'm going to add to that right now. I'm going to say max. Max it out. Alright, confirm. So as I add, it's going to cost another 1.9 crow every time. So, guys, for future reference, if you guys going to do this, what you should do is do it all at once and just pay the 1.9 crow all at once. Because it seems pretty consistent that fee doesn't change. It's 1.9 crow every time you add to your stake. And that can get expensive. I mean, yeah, we're going to make that money back here pretty quick. It's $69 at 2,000%. It's actually less than that, but I mean, that's the advertised APY as opposed to APR, 300%. But at least, so the thing that I like about this is it's automatic. I don't have to go in there and deal with it and claim it all the time. Because if we go back to the farm, okay, I have some in the farm here. And if I want to harvest this, I go harvest. And it comes up and it says it's going to cost you 1 crow. Oh, come on, really? Okay, so I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, yeah, fine, you gave me an error. Whatever. So I like the automatic harvesting a lot better. But this interest rate is pretty good, 572%. Go back and watch this video if you're interested in yield farming. It's an interesting concept, but the one pitfall here is obviously the fee for every time you harvest. I don't like that. So I'm not going to do it very often. We're almost at $5 here. That's pretty good. Not bad. For a few days. I don't remember exactly when I staked this, but it was a few days ago. Go back and check that video out. So if you guys want to know more about this farming, staking, mining, and VVS, VVS has only been out for 3 weeks, and it's already kicking off huge. So it's not too late to get in. It was kind of like one of the more minor coins, right? It's not like Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's a DeFi currency. There's lots of it. The project's just getting started, and it's still a really good time to get in because the price of these things is super low. Obviously, you can see when I switch the crow into VVS, exchange rate's quite favorable. It's like quadruple zero 14 or something like that. So fractions of a penny for each one you buy. And if this thing gets up to, I don't know, 1/10 of a cent or whatever, could be looking pretty good. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe for more yield farming and liquidity pools and mining, stuff like that. A lot of crypto stuff, stocks, bonds, whatever makes money, I'm into it. So you can check out the videos on my channel. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.